Well, guys, what I did is I left my bike on the other side of the river here, and I just walked across. What we'll do is we'll leave all the official particulars on this side, and then I'll go over and just carry the mountain bike by itself. In other words, no cell phones on it, no Bose speakers, no Grizzly Sow quick draw. Take all that shit off you in case you do fall, man. But you know, then I get across and I hike up this trail a little ways to see what I got. Now, this area right here is steep and it's rocky. The two combinations that I don't like, remember? Big rocks, not small rocks. But I guess we've got to go a little bit further. I mean, Jesus Christ. We're getting close to the top, but I wouldn't be willing to bet. See, I'll bring the bike over by itself. You've got there was probably a herring gull or a herring crane crane, right, perched right there. There's some shit right there, and that's what it's from. I don't know, guys, what are you thinking? Damn. God, I hate to fizzle out this right here. But I hate to have a problem too. You know, I'm very amazed that these dudes are riding their bikes across this shit. Because this is fucking deep. That amazes me. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the what do you call them? The two-stroke bikes. Every 40 hours, you got to rebuild the motor. So that's why they're too much maintenance for me. So going through this is like nothing, because they're going to have to rebuild the motor anyways at 40 hours, and they might be at 35 anyway. So it's a rebuild. It's a win-win for them. Now, do I leave my shit over here and walk across and walk it back with the bike? Or do we call it? I'll let you know in just a minute, man.